This is a room tour of 16006, a king suite at MGM National Harbour. And this is a really nice room, certainly the best room I've stayed at so far on Bridger across America. So you walk in, you've got a workstation and coffee there, some free bottles of water. It's really modern decor in here. Safe is down there. Very, very nice. I'm guessing this is just additional, hanging space. Your telly is there. Bed looks pretty cool. And we have a minibar in this one. And in the bottom there as well. Seating area there. And I really like the view here. It's really good. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And for once, the windows are actually really, really clean. I've even got a picture of old George. Let's hope I win some. And then you sort of come into this sort of wraparound bathroom in here. Very classy. 2 sinks. A view up the motorway there. And then makeup and what have you. Toilet there and a really big corner walk-in shower, massive in fact. Everything is, I don't know when these were renovated but they absolutely look perfect. I mean, there's not a nick in anything, it's brand spanking new. Now the thing is with MGM National Harbour is it's expensive. You know, I'm Gold M Life and this cost me, well, it's $330 and I got a whole $30 off for being Gold M Life. So it's $300 basically. Obviously I get the resort fee waived because I'm gold status. But she did upgrade me, so I did give her $20 on reception from a regular king to a king suite. So yeah, this is going to be a very comfortable stay for a night, and I'm exhausted. We've had a crazy 2 days going from Atlantic City to Mohegan Sun, then Mohegan Sun to Seneca Niagara, then Seneca Niagara to MGM National Harbour. We've got a bit of a relaxing time now for the next day because we don't have to check out here until midday tomorrow, and we've got a 2-hour drive to Rocky Gap. So this is a bit of a recharge period before we attack the central part of America. So this is sort of like the end, or tomorrow at Rocky Gap is the end of phase 1 of Bridger across America. There's 3 phases: the northeast, the middle, and the sort of left-hand side of America. And this is, we're coming to the end of phase 1. So anyway, I hope you like this room. I do. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.